Please don't do that. Don't do that. I'm beginning to achieve if I put if I put God is looking at you. Don't do that thing next time. You just see. Please don't do that. Don't do that. I'm beginning to achieve if I put if I put God is looking at
Would you? I remembered. Mommy did not give her any money when she was going out. Because she has none. So who gave you the money to buy this yam?
I'm going to shut up and eat, or are you going to keep asking questions?
It's true, Sister Uju. Where did you get the money from?
I can see you both do not want to eat. When you're ready, you can eat, okay?
But I'm just asking.
Ask now. Who are they?
The tears of falling, the tears of falling, the tears of falling, the tears of falling. Nana Tara when you're for only Donna Tara when you're for I'm where you're major. I'm where you're major. I'm where you're.
Would you go and buy sugar so we can drink that small garri in the kitchen? Adieu. How are you?
Hey, Mama, that's nice. Ma, can I join tomorrow to buy some
No, my dear. That work is very terrible. You cannot suffer under the sun. It's okay. It's
You
okay.
cannot suffer this all alone all the time, Ma. See yourself.
It's a matter of time. Daddy, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Mama, here is your food.
Would you? How? Where did you get money to buy this yam?
just eat. You look so tired and hungry. Don't worry about us. We've already eaten ours.
My friend, I do not know the source of this food. And I can't eat it.
Okay, Mama, if you insist. My friend Chidebere gave me this yam. She said her mother bought plenty of it, so she had to give me some out of it.
Uju. Chikudalo. Chai. When next you see her, greet her well for me. Eh?
Okay, Mama.
Oh yeah. Everybody go and wash your hands. Come and join me.
There is nothing good about your money.
Are we quarreling?
It's even better we are quarreling. Yes, than what will happen if I discover it's true that your daughter was spotted around my neighborhood after my 2 bags of yam got missing. Then you don't need Jesus to tell you that your daughter stole my yam.
Hey, Ngozi, don't say a thing like that again. My daughter is not a thief.
Shut up your mouth! Shut up your mouth, Ola. See, at this stage you are now, you and your daughter can do anything possible to eat. Let me tell you, she was lucky nobody saw her stealing. Next time, she should pray if I catch her, what I will do to her, you will never believe it.
Hey!
The tears are falling down. The tears are falling. The tears are falling. The tears are falling down. Nana tara when you're full. Only dona tara when you're full. Amara yo mejere. Amara yo mejere. Amara yo chife yanike. Amara yo chife yanike. Amara yo narankinya.
You're back already. Do you not see any come to pick? Maybe Mama Adora have picked everything.
No. She did not pick everything, eh? I will soon go back. Where is Uju?
She went out immediately you left.
To where?
I don't know. She didn't tell anybody. Mama, are you okay?
I'm fine.
Mama, you don't know. What is the problem, Mama?
I'm very okay. I'm just having little headache.
Mama, you look unhappy.
Mama, what if before going out, come and join us?
Eat, eh? I will eat later.
Mama, that is what you always say. Yes, you sit and watch us eat, Mama.
I will eat later. You don't know where Uju went?
Mama, she didn't tell anyone where she went to.
Or whatever thing they called you. Your daughter was caught stealing in this village. Try and train her very well. Caution her. After all, you are not the only poor widow in this village.
This useless and shameless daughter of yours was caught stealing at the market at Adobe shop.
She's very, very lucky that she stole the money and the money was still with her. If not, we would have taken her to West Palace. Yes.
Ngozi.
Now go back to your mother.
Hey, Ngozi. Please now. I beg you. In God's name. Please. I do not have 1 naira to buy items for her cleansing. Please. Please.
Then, try and warn her very well. Like mother, like daughter. Criminal. Let's go. Let's go.
Would you will not kill me! Come here.
Mama, leave her.
Come punish you! Come here. I will slap you. Please. Move inside you. Hi! 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 Where did she got this thing from? God! Hi! In my palace! Who will bring me out from it? God of the poor! Hi! Jesus! Keboshia! Lord! You are the God of the widows! God of the oppressed! If I have stolen before because of my daughter, if I said a criminal, if I've stolen before, let this girl bring shame. Uju bring shame to me. But if I've not stolen, oh God, remove this from Uju. Remove it from her. Remove this from her. In the name of Jesus. Hey! What do I have? Uju! Uju! Come down here. Uju. Chai! Uju, I go out every day to pick what I can. And I'm at to come. Your mother. I pick dates everywhere. Uju, I go to people's houses. I pick dates for them. I have new problem, which you know. I still kneel down to mop people's houses. Keep it clean for them. Uju, why? Why have I chosen to be stealing? Where did I go wrong, Uju? Do you want me, Uju, to become a laughing stock in this village? Upon people are laughing at me, how I'm poor. Yet, you want them to call your mother a mother of a thief.
Mama, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. What did you just say? You are sorry. Sorry indeed. That is what you keep saying all the time, Uju. Are you cursed? Uju! Are you cursed? Answer me.
Don't you dare ask me that question.
Why don't I ask you, Uju? We were not raised this way. You totally changed, Uju.
Mama, have you seen Chioma now? One hour.
Chioma, it's okay. If you open that your dirty mouth to ask me to warn Chioma, I will kill you. I'm the one that gave birth to you. Uju, Nkuwoki, shame on you. Uju, have I not been trying? Have I not been trying?
Mom, stop crying. Mommy, I'm always doing this so we can be eating in this house.
Who sent you? Am I not trying? I keep asking. Since your father died, I have been trying. I do all manner of jobs just to make you children happy. At times I don't eat, but I watch you people eat and I'm satisfied. Yet, oh, you want them to now throw us out of this village. That is all you want. If they throw you and I out of this village, where are we going?
A child who says that the mother will not sleep must stay awake to ensure it. No matter how big a hippopotamus is, it shall always remain invisible inside the water. Oledo, since you have decided to take away everything from me, thereby making me a handicapped over the things that are supposed to be mine, I will deal with you. I shall strike you, and I shall strike you again until you regret ever coming into existence. I will strike back. Otu Obaji. Otu Obaji. Otu Obaji. Kaima look at mbe na bonke boke. Nonsense. You will regret your grave. Nonsense.
Okoso! 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 Eh? Na clothes when I say make you wash this, now be this. Eh? The heap of clothes when I say make you wash this, now be this.
Ah, Mama, now you want to pull my ear.
Okoso, I tell you say make you wash clothes. You never hear the dance like a Jackson. Eh?
Mama, no be say I no go wash am, I go wash am. But I just say make I practice more than because as you see me so, I be businessman. I dey go show tomorrow.
Oh, you dey go show tomorrow?
Yes.
You dey go show tomorrow? See, make you know say that show go dey feed you down. That show go feed you next week. You just dey like this now. Now show get you. Yes, you go dey chop for that show now. Yeah, go wash that clothes.
Mama, no dey talk like this now. When this dance blow me, now you go chop the money last.
You chop the money last. Okoso, you hear say there's a club now upon you? You hear say na musician pregnant me? I mean I say I dey play this guitar for labor. Eh? Oh yeah, go wash that clothes. Go wash your clothes. Eh? He dey go show tomorrow. That club now for born you. Woo! You swear for me. Oh. Okoso.
Good afternoon.
Good night.
Mama, have fun now. I want you.
Uncle.
Make I go bring plates.
Hold up, there. Did they pay transport go? Every place come by better picking. Welcome, yeah? Welcome, sir. So, this one too dance, so. That's how it is.
Mama, they use plate soup. Nothing there for pot now. The pot dry.
The pot dry. Dry. My picking. Now, my turn with this so. The weather dry.
Mama, I be your pikin. What do you do? You no legit oh. You no legit at all.
Just say pikin. Wait the back. You know say road far.
Mama, this thing wey you do me now, I go do am back to you. You go see fire for my hand.
You just like you say, this is your show where they go. Egugu, be careful, na express they go. I don't tell you, it don't happen. Hunger don't come, I don't tell you. Bass boss.
Mama! Mama! Mama!
Speaking! Bass boss. Oh, Dada. Get off now. I tell you, say, it don't happen. I don't tell her, it don't happen. Hunger don't come, it don't shout. Hey, hey! Bass boss. Bass boss.
You see, originally I would say you will not go and then you will stay here. You know, I have checked and see that nothing is sweeter than you, and anything sweeter than you is not sweet.
Stop flattering me, please.
Baby, I am not flattering you. I am not flattering you. In fact, I have come to see north, east, south, and west. Nothing is sweeter than you.
Okay, now, if I'm the sweetest,
yes, baby.
I want you to renovate this house. Because I cannot be the sweetest and still be in this same house. I want to stay in a sweet house.
Okay.
Please.
Baby, you
then
say...
secondly, if I'm the sweetest,
yes, baby.
What are you still doing with her?
That one. You know I am just managing her. I am just managing her, using her to control my vibration situation. But you know you are my original. I am not flattering you. No. I am not flattering you. As a matter of fact, I have checked north, east, south, and west. You are the sweetest. You see, the time you climb on top of me, I was saying Jerusalem.
See, that one is none of my business.
Okay, baby.
Where's the money I asked you to give me?
Oh, the money! This baby, you are very, 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 you know. Okay, but you just wait a minute. Baby, you see, this one is from Central Bank. Just take it and manage yourself. I will use this one to control my situation.
No, this one is...
Baby, okay. This one is for the road, when will I see you?
I'll let you know.
This one suits me.
Hey, Okoso! Oh!
Yes, Mama.
What are you doing?
I dey practice Zanku. I want use am pack better money for Amadi's burial.
Eh? Omini dancer! Whoa! Your man not tell you say no food for this house. Eh? We go chop Zanku today. We go put Zanku for fire. We come begin chop am. I take go market. Take buy vegetable, buy pepper, buy meat. Go market. Oh yeah, they go.
Mama, you come now where they practice dance. Mama, you no feel wait.
Okoso, if you let me use my weight, give you slap, you go melt. Oh yeah, you go market. Go. Madness.
Mama, calm down. Make your throat not pain you. Calm down. Cool down. Cool down.
Oh, Okoso. Hey! I born this one. Hey, oh, Okoso. A throat.
Wetin dey worry you? You dey craze? Abi you blind? You no see?
Shut up that your small dirty mouth. Are you blind? You're the one who is blind. Didn't you see me first?
See, no try that thing next time again. No try am. Stupid girl. Wait. Jesus. This girl don't chance me. Kai, this girl don't chance me. No be me. I go find her. I go find this girl. She go see pepper for my hand. Abi no be me.
Eh? Which kind of wahala be this? Eh? Where this boy go since? Since morning, no? Eh? Oh, I forget. If he don't there for a place now for a road, he gonna dance. Okoso, he gonna dance. Eh? Pot don't dry tire. I go put water, he go dry again. Pot don't dry it 3 times. Now water won't cook. Eh? How? I won't find a go now. How? Okoso? Okoso? You know, see? When I send you this message in the morning, you come back, you greet me good afternoon. Eh, Okoso? May you go buy ordinary vegetable and pepper. Now you sleep for the market. In short, where would I say you buy?
Mama, sorry say I fall your hand though. Now that stupid girl come knock me out for road. Before I go close my eye, open am, she don't disappear with the money.
Okoso, I don't hear what you talk. You say?
Now do. Now that girl come knock me out for road. I don't know say she collect my money for my pocket.
Okoso, you know the shame? Say woman knock you out for road. After you say, now you get the villa. Now you get the villa. Now ordinary woman knock you out for road. Small people for that matter. Okoso?
Mama, I no reason I go that way now. I no reason at all.
Hey, Okoso. In short.
Mama, where we go? Forget.
Okoso. Oh yeah. Where would they go their house? Leave the road! Make we dey go. In a ginger! Power you not get! He knock your hand.
Mama, we
come on, they go!
that one now, Mama.
What a shame. If not to dance this go dance time, you go dance am. Okoso, get knock money for your hand. Get. Shame. Shame on you. Who are that?
Where are you coming from? Eh? We don't have enough garri in this house. That's why we need to sit together to drink this one.
Mama, take. Eat it and buy some things.
What's the meaning of this? Where did you get this from?
Which house have you stolen from now? Would you tell me?
I did not steal any money.
What do you mean? Where did you steal the money from?
Mama, I did not steal any money. Did anybody come here to say I stole his or her money?
Come on, shut up! Where did you steal this money from, Uju?
I was walking along the road. I saw the money on the floor and I picked it up.
Oh, really? Uju, you were walking along the road. You saw money, you bent down, you picked it. So don't you know the implication of picking money from the street? What if this money was sent by a ritualist?
No. Mama, don't listen to her. She's lying. You stole the money. Stop lying.
I did not steal any money. Better wait your turn.
You stole the money.
Uju, if you don't tell me where you got it.
Mama. See the mumu here.
See, wait oh. So now you even knock my pikin out. Come collect money for in hand. Eh?
What money?
Shut up. Very good.
Dorothy. Please, Dorothy. Calm down.
Can't wait it down. And I can't wait it down. What did they talk? Oh, so now you dey send your pikin go road, not if Abi?
I cannot do such a thing.
Wait, Oyibo rabbit.
I'm not an Oyibo rabbit.
You dey talk?
Dorothy, you call him Oyibo rabbit.
You dey see me?
How about your applicative? Now you listen to me. I cannot watch you come to my house to insult me.
Oh, see this song. We say poverty is so close for your body. Poverty has got you. It be like tattoo for your body. Okay, because it's yellow. Now, see, now, suffer yellow. Be the same vein everywhere. Poverty. Where the money?
Hey, Sha. Now listen to me. I will not. I'm repeating this for the last time. I will not have you insult me, Oledo, in my house. Leave my house. And not for the insult.
Not the house. This house, every say the only electronics inside that torchlight. Now house with this. This one the house. You get back to talk. Get the money. Nonsense! Come on! Yes!
I'm sorry, Mama.
I will kill you! I will kill you! Dorothy, kill you! Sit down, my God! I will not...
Easy now. This water is too hot and my whole body is spinning me. Can't you add cold water in this hot water now?
I need to be hot so it can work.
It can work. See your mouth, doctor. I don't know. I don't know what I've done to Uju. Hey! Have I not been trying? Since my husband died, I have been laboring to see that I will put food on your table so that all of you can eat. Yet, Uju is treating me this way.
Mama, it's okay. Stop crying. Everything will be alright, Mama.
Does your sister want me to die? Does she want me to run BP? If I die, who do you people have?
Mama, it's okay now. Please stop crying. Don't allow Uju's character to read you down, Mama. Please. Please stop crying.
Uju wants to make me a laughing stock in this village. A widow. A widow who doesn't have anyone. She wants to turn me to an object of laughter.
Mama, it's okay. Stop crying. Please.
out.
Rubbish.
Emeka.
Bring everything out. Can't say back, what?
I beg you in God's name. Why? Why are you doing this to us? See your brother's children. Emeka Biko. I want to hear this.
You think I am going to fold my hands and watch you take over all my late brother's properties? It's bastards.
Emeka.
Bring everything. See my back. I must get out.
Which property?
My brother left a lot of things before he died. So you have sold everything. I said it. Wicked witch. You sold everything. It is just left for you to sell this house.
Which property? This house. Olaja. Is that what you want to take away from us? Pity my children. Even if you don't pity me.
Oh, so because you managed to appear innocent during that useless oath people took about my brother's death with those elders, you think I am going to agree to your own government? I, Emeka, will ensure that you suffer in this village. Bring everything out immediately. Let me see how you go back into this house again. Let us go. Let's get out of this place. Look at it, all of you. I don't want to come back to this house and see all of you in this house. Pick up your 50 things and follow your mother and get out of this village. Useless woman, witch. You poisoned my own brother. You poisoned him to death. Now you want to come and claim over all the property. It's a lie.
I did not poison my husband. Emeka, because of this little child. Emeka. Na Jesus woro ni jame obaragi ojoke ono kageti wara monanjo. God, you will not leave me, neither will you forsake me. You will not forsake these children. Thou God of the widow, the God of the oppressed.
Hey, hold on. Don't be your own to do me now.
You're my love now. You're my love now. What is it again? What is it again? Hey, talk to me. Even I bought the jersey for you because you know this is the winning team. So I bought a jersey for you.
It's not my size. I mean, hold up. So now you don't even know what he be saying you do. You don't know.
If it is because of the other time, I promise I will make it up to you. I promise I will make it up to you.
Explain what it. See, you see, you be just promise and fail person. I see you know.
Mama, you know say when they go far. And so they hammer person here. And you, if you no carry this tolo leg, leave my mama here. What I go do you? I go show you pepper. I go enter you.
You like me? Mom, pikin, no.
No, you no believe me.
But my own idea. My idea.
You dey hear him? Leave him. He's just a small baby pikin. You are just a small baby pikin. Calm down. You know he doesn't understand the physics between me and you.
Oh yeah, what happened now? What? Oh Jesus Christ! What you say? What you say?
I go leave my mama.
You know what? You go there free tomorrow. If you go there free tomorrow, you know I have been promised and failing you. I want to make it up to you. I will even go and get you a bigger one. Oh,
I don't hear. Wait tomorrow reach.
Okay.
Leave my mama. They go.
He's not a small begin. He's just a small begin. I will change this for you and I'll bring another one.
They go.
Dodom.
You
like this?
Small picking.
Small battery.
Small picking. Dodom. Dodom.
Yeah, my friend, you talk. You go open your mouth and embarrass me again. Let me go.
Mama, I know they embarrass myself. Let me embarrass yourself in front of that chicken. And Mama, how you sure you know be my mama eh? I go enter you. Huh? I go enter you. I go enter you. You myself, I go enter you.
You enter me.
I go enter you. I go enter you.
Me.
I go enter you. I go enter you.
Mama, is there nothing else you can do? Mama, what is in your hand?
Paracetamol, sorry my dear. I found it in the room.
Mommy, this won't help. Paracetamol won't help. He needs proper medical attention.
Oh, Joe, I don't have 1 naira in this house. I don't have anything. What do I do now?
Mama, you have to do something.
Mama, we need to do something. I don't want to lose my baby brother.
Oh, don't sing in Jesus' name. Would you?
Mommy, are you going to?
Hey, how with your second? Let me run around that if I can get help.
Mama, be careful.
Mecca, please. Please. My small child is sick. I beg you in God's name. Please help me. Please, I need little money. Please, Emeka.
You don't want to lose him, eh? But you wanted to lose Okudele, my elder brother. My only brother. You wanted to lose him. And guess what? You lost him. If you won your war, now you had the guts to come to my house to beg me for money. Instead of the
I did not kill your brother. Please, make a... Please, Emeka, please, help us. Let me not lose this one. Please.
You had the effrontery to come into my house Iyomego, to come and beg me money after you poisoned my only brother. Hey, may your soul rest in peace, okay, wherever you are. Wicked witch. Will you get out of my house? You are still here. Get out of my house. Get out. I say get out. Get out. Get out. Get out of my house. Get out. Get out of my house. Yeah, get out of my house. You are still here. Get out of. Get out of my house. Come on, come on. Let's fight. You came here to beg me for money after you poisoned my brother to death, taking over all this property.
Dodo, please. Dodo, forgive me. Dodo, I beg now. Hi, Dodo.
I beg me. Leave me. Why you dey beg me?
Dodo.
I tell you, say time go reach. When go take beg me, and that time not reach now.
Dodo, I know I didn't do well the last time, but Dodo, I will make it up to you this time. Just tell me anything. I will do anything you want me to do.
I no agree. Like.
Hi. Dodo, okay. What do you want? Anything? Just tell me. I will do anything.
Nahi.
Dodo.
Marry me.
Hi. Hi.
What's it funny?
Dodo.
Because ever since you go, I go. Till now you never still go do am. Marry me, very simple.
Dodo, what I am looking for to go outside these days is what I have come to see in Uguoba. Dodo, I will marry you. Dodo, I will marry you.
You serious?
Dodo, you know before I was physicking with you, but right now I want to chemistry you and then forever and ever. Dodo, I will marry you.
Look how we play with them. You serious? You sure?
Dodo, I am very serious. I am very... Hey, Dodo.
Leave me.
Leave me. Hey. Okay. Come, let me take you inside. And I want to make it... Hi, Dodo. Come to my obodo, you go. Dodo. Hi, Dodo. Hi, Dodo. Hi.
Shoma, get me water. And you get me baby spray. Yes.
Sorry. Open. Open your mouth. Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. Emeka, what are you doing on my farmland?
But you're very stupid for asking me. Yes. How dare you?
Yana, we are not mates.
Oh.
Don't insult me.
Oh, so your dying child ended up not dying again. That gave you the warranty to come to my farmland to insult me.
Hey, Emeka, Oworobara. So it has been your prayer for my son to die. God has disappointed you. Now the question is, what are you doing on my farmland?
Oh, I see a woman trying to gain a place in the matters of lands and properties. Oledu, do you want me to remind you how abominable that is?
Emeka, listen. This land is the only property my husband left for me before he died. I will never allow you to take this land away from us. Be very careful. Get away from this land! out.
Get out!
Emeka, get out, oh!
Get out!
Emeka!
I said get out!
Emeka!
Get out!
Emeka! Emeka, if you try me! Emeka! Emeka!
I said
if you try me! Chineke! If I am Nalanda! God of the widow! We'll fight you! We'll fight you! Emeka! Kill me! Emeka! I will never leave this land! God of the poor! God of the widow! Will never let you rest! As I fall on this land, Emeka, you will fall! You will fall! You will fall! All the man! All the man! All the man, Emeka! All the man! But when you see me, I will deal with you! Only my prayers will deal with you! All the man! All the man, Emeka! Where do I farm? Which land can I farm on? Emeka.
It's okay. It's okay, please. Mommy, I don't like the way you're following this thing, you know. I don't understand. Why will not solve it?
You will not understand. You will not understand. The other land, the one at Ugweke, if you can remember, when this same uncle of yours took that land from us, I ran to the elders. And these elders suddenly turned against me. And you want me to go again? I can never go.
Mama, it's high time we made Uncle Emeka understand that we are not slaves in our father's house.
And what are you doing in my house?
Look, don't think I came here to beg you, Emeka.
Okay. She even called me by my name. Are you mad?
Ha! In what name should I have called you? A dog?
Okay. Did your mother send you to my house to come and insult me?
Far from it. Your actions, I mean your wicked actions, to our family is beginning to choke. My mother, my siblings, and I cannot take it anymore.
This girl is mad. Did you miss your way around here? I'm asking you.
I did not miss my way. I know exactly where I am. Look, stay away from the only land my father left. Stay far, far away.
Oh, I can see. So their mother now sends them to come to my own house to come and insult me in my house. All you do, I will show you better. May go see give focus into your game, man. I can see she has started developing wings. I will make sure I break those little wings of hers. So bad.
Why did you go there? Uju? I'm asking you. Did I not warn you not to go there? Do you want him to injure you?
Mom, we cannot continue to stay subdued like this. God knows how long. I needed to speak some truth into you.
Oh, really? By going there? To warn that wicked uncle of yours, Emeka? Eh? Do you want that man to kill you? Uju? What did I tell you about children disobeying their parents?
Umi, I'm sorry for disobeying you. I thought I was doing the right thing because he has bullied us enough in this house.
It's okay, my daughter. You shouldn't have gone there. You shouldn't have gone there. Allow God to deal with Emeka in his own way. Chukwu won't get ikpe. Okay. Come inside.
You don't tell where we dey suffer. You don't tell where we the hustle. I feel fuck with the issue.
Today will be my happiest day. My happiest day of my life. It's my wedding day. It's my wedding day. Naheed. Naheed. Hey. Love, sweet love. I could be what you want. Hey. Naheed. And I love too sweet. Hello. God, they punish you. If I go punish you. See what happens if the food don't throw away. Help us.
Mama, see the kind cuckoo where you keep for this place. I hope say no be you want chop am.
Okoso, what did make you open this thing?
You. I hope say no be the Ali that want come chop this big fufu.
Dora, my love, I no go use you play, oh. And maybe where you want to, Dora, I dey on top, oh. You don't say you are my food package.
Don't kill you.
Maybe tomorrow begin. How are you?
Come on, beat up.
Boss, I beat you.
Who be your boss? You don't get respect.
Just leave him. He's a daily
My
small begin. You know, to the end of this, they are different from us. Hi. Dora, my love. I don't go. What did you prepare?
I believe this people say, tell me what to do.
You know, where I just went to, I told them I am coming to sell my baby. Ordinarily, if it's not because I am here and I don't want to do like I am sad, I will eat this one like that. But because I am not showing myself, I will not mind and eat a 7.
I take my time to prepare this food for you.
Aye.
You understand? So that this will take your time to
tell that baby small begin to bring me water. I can't wait to imagine the food and observe the food. That baby small begin to bring water for me. You know, this is what I'm talking about. When we now start living together, like a husband and wife, the chemistry will now move together. Because right now we are physically together.
I believe that in every time you go tell me say, you see man, it's your fault. You say you don't marry me now every day we chop better food like this.
Hey, don't worry. You see, this new month will enter. Everything will change. You see, before the end of this new month, a lot of things will change.
I bet let me hear what every time end of the month, one year go pass. End of the month, another year go pass.
Don't
month the end for your life.
Don't worry, you will see changes. see my Okoko, every time you will spin to this direction and you will spin to this direction, you don't even have a direction.
My small battery.
Come, let me give you something.
You know, do your face well. Do your face well.
So that you go to this direction and you go to this direction, you don't even have a direction. You can take it and then buy biscuit and chewing-gum and your life is changed.
Come here. You don't say thank you. Thank you, Goli, for your mouth.
Don't worry, he's a little bit small pecan. You know, every time he will spin to this direction and he spin to that direction, he doesn't even have a direction. That is why he is called Okuso. Okay. It's a small battery. It is okay. It is fine. Hey, my daughter, I will think I have to start going to my way. You know, I will always go and come back. But you have to just be careful about that baby small thing. You know, when we now chemistry together, everything will now balance in question.
Come back this plate.
Small begin, take the money and change your life with a biscuit and kingdom. And come, I have to be going.
What they say, give the king breast for 1 year, 6 months. I stop and press 3 months. Don't they affect them now? Yeah, what happened? Okoso! Okoso!
Mama!
Okoso! Okoso? So will your face be like the shit? So person give you money now, you don't tell her thank you. Eh?
Mama, why my face no go there like that? See the kind food where you give that rat. Since when you born me, you don't give me that kind of food before.
Okoso, how can better food give you? So as I see man wey love me now, wey say go marry me, abi Okoso, you go marry me? When I see man wey say go love me now, he go even marry me. Man don't carry better food give her. Okay, man carry better food give back pikin like you.
Eh?
Okoso, before I go close my eye, open an eye, go pack those plates waiting for kitchen, go for table there. Go pack those plates waiting for table there, go wash.
Me pack, go wash. When you no carry call that lizard make he come wash that place for you.
Okoso, come here. Okoso. Hey, see Mora. Okoso. Okoso.
Emeka, as you can see, I'm not even feeling too well. I'm having serious fever. But I came to you because I have a need. I want to ask you, what have we done to you that will warrant you to treat us this way now? Eh?
You know exactly how to depict this character of yours very well. Just a snap of a finger. And all the water in your ears will start dropping. Like this. Nonsense.
Mega. Please, you have taken everything that my husband had. The only landed property that we have now. You are about to take it. Because leave it for my children and I. You know that if I go to the elders to complain, they will not listen to me. Maka na onye na-enweghị right ya na ihe mere nọ n'iwu. Emeka, onye na-enweghị right ya o na ihe mere nọ n'iwu. Biko no hapụrụ m ala.
So you want to visit the elders? Yeah, I need to pay a visit to the elders. And you think they will give you listening ears? They will not listen to your cock and bull stories. Huh? You know, go. So stop visiting them. I need that land just as much as you need them. But they are rightfully mine. Stop struggling. By now you should have been someone with your useless children. Okay? Stop struggling. You can never get land. Stupid.
Becca, leave that land. How about that land? That's the only land my children and I have. I will not land any. One way also carry. Make a
The fact is, I don't even know why I'm here, comfortably seated side by side with you in my own house. I am not going to push you because I know if I give you a little push now, you might fall and die. They will now come and hold me responsible. But after you must have finished lamenting with these crocodile tears on your face, you know you go to your house. Useless to be rich. Nonsense.
Emeka, it's better that you pushed me. Push me, let me die. Emeka, leave that land. Onye na-enweghị enwekwa right ya. Na ihe mere nọ n'iwu. Onye na-ejighị ego enwekwa right ya. Ihe mere nọ n'iwu.
I do not support you on this one, though. This is not nice now. This is not nice. Obina, what is the meaning of this morning? I don't understand. I don't just understand you. What is it? Emeka, you understand what I'm saying? I mean, you're a young boy for crying out loud. Stop behaving like what these evil men in the village carrying charms all about. Obina, did you come to my house this morning to insult me? I'm not here to insult you, Emeka. I'm only here to tell you the truth. As a friend, I met Ola on my way to your house. And she told me everything that transpired between both of you. I mean, why would you want to collect all the properties that belongs to your late brother when you know this woman has children to train? This is bad. Obina, I can see that woman has sparked something into your mouth that is making you to come to my house to insult me. Emeka, I'm not here to insult you. I'm only here to tell you the truth. You are my good friend. If I don't tell you the truth, who will? Obina, I can see you have overstayed your welcome in my house. Now I want you to get up and get out. Wait, I don't understand. I should leave your house. Leave my house now. Because I'm telling you the truth. Leave my house. I should get out! Since I cannot advise you as a friend. No problem. Also, Akola. I'm doing it. No problem. He has the nerves to come to my house to abuse me, to insult me. So Oledo now goes from one person to another talking about me. Shoo. I will.
My prosper.
Mama, where did you get this for?
We are serving the God of miracles.
What happened?
As I was coming back from that your uncle's house, being humiliated, I just ran into an old friend of mine, Sophia.
Wow.
She gave me this whole food item.
Mama, she's such a kind-hearted one. Let's go and thank her.
She has come back to Lagos, so she just came visiting.
Mama, God will bless you.
Amen. Chioma, go and set the fire. Let's start cooking immediately.
I don't know what is going on, but what is it? What is the problem now? Hey, baby, what is it?
Doing what to you? Hey. See, Nehemiah or whatever thing they call you, I am not going anywhere with you.
Baby, don't
you think I don't know those women you are sleeping with?
Eh? No, but baby, you know you are my very special one. You are my very special one. You know, like Morejo will say, he is the special one. No, but you are my special.
Story! Who know how many people you've disturbed with this thing?
You know, baby, we are in the community, and faces can be seeing us, and the ears can be hearing us. Let us be going to my house. When we get there, we can finish the whole matter.
Okay. I need some money to change my hair.
Money. You know, let us go to my house. I have plenty money in my house. Baby, come on, let us go to my house. You know, in this whole community, I like to show myself the way that people will know that you are a very beautiful woman. You are the original. You know that. Come.
Idiot! That useless woman!
What have we done that you will scatter this food? This thing! Somebody just gave it to me! Emeka!
You are asking me.
Hey!
You are asking me, right? So, Oledo, it has gotten to the extent of you going about the entire village, telling whoever wishes to listen to your stupid craps how wicked I've been to you and your useless children. Oledo, yeah?
Me?
Asale!
Me?
Asale!
What did I do to you? Where did we go wrong? Emeka, what have we done to you? My children and I. Now you're scattering all these things. You put this rice away. You put everything away. Emeka!
Listen, let me tell you one thing, You see, this is the beginning of your misery. I will so much deal with all of you, and I'll make sure you will starve to death. Nonsense.
What is it? You will not die. Useless. Get out! Come and try me in this house. Get out! Useless woman. There's nothing for the. What's it?
getting give me original fitness.
No, go and bring chill. Let's stay outside.
Pepe, let us go inside. That is where they show he's going to the game.
Go inside where? Here? I'm not going anywhere.
Pepe, what is it again? Omalicha, what is it again?
Where's the money I asked you?
The money is not a problem. Every time I see you, Pepe, you originate my heart. Let us go inside. When we finish, I'll give you money. Pepe original. Pepe sweetness. This one. Pepe original.
Mama, leave me now. You don't believe person.
Useless boy. Very useless speaking. Huh? The day we started born you, eh? You don't. I just even waste the labor pain. I waste them. Oh, Silas. Anywhere after where you just day, now God will be punish you. God, which kind sin I commit? Why can't this? But this idiot they punish me. Useless boy.
Mama, wetin I do now where they insult me?
To pound their sins. To pound. For many hours. You leave Yama say I said make you pound. You did that shaku. Go pound down.
Mama now, wetin I do you?
You don't stand up there, insult person. I waiting that one come in now. Mama, you.
Who did that boy? Or slave? Okay, mechanic. You don't need the boy. Oh, this boy too stubborn. In there, for how many hours? I roast one, roast again from top. Still the roast they go. You never see go to her. Don't worry. They come out too.
Mama.
If you like, they hear the dance. Wash everything when they inside this house before I come back. You hear me?
Mama, who they carry that big food go give? Because I know say not only 2 of us dey for this house. I hope say no be that lizard the one give am the food.
You the grace? Eh? Your brain the bone?
Your brain the one.
Before I go come back to this house, may you don't wash everything when inside this house. You hear me?
Before I go come back for this house, make I see my food there on top of table.
I don't blame you. You see your father people? That's why they behave. Your father side, very useless family. The only good person for them are in person.
Emeka, how can you be so wicked and heartless over your late brother's wife and children? What did that woman ever do to you to incur this ill treatment? Just look at what you did to that little girl. Do you know you can be prosecuted for this? Hoping there's something wrong with you. Did Oledo tell you that I did anything to her daughter? Oh, come off it, Emeka. You know that I know you too well. That poor woman cannot lie against you. You are wicked. Hoping I think this is where I will draw this line of friendship or something to call it. Since you now stop me anywhere that pleases you to come and talk rubbish to me. Listen, let me tell you. Never you ever stop me anywhere else again, both on the road, in my house, anywhere, to utter this nonsense to me. Don't try it next time. Stay away from me henceforth. I think this thing is getting to something else. You're warning me, Emeka? Get out. I will keep telling you the truth, Emeka. I will keep telling you the truth. If you like, listen. If you like, don't. Also, I keep telling you, Akwalam. No problem. Nobody will tell me. For my hands, they do how? How? What are you? Let me. Let me.
Now you!
The devil inside of her.
Now you Abi! Now you Abi! Now you!
Jesus! Don't give her gift to her.
You came! Jesus! Man,
smack her down!
It's yours! Blackhood!
It is the devil!
Nahi!
Dodom!
Nahi!
Dodom!
So I'm not even trying to give you!
Dodom!
I'm not even trying to give you!
Dodom!
I give you back! Give you center!
Dodom!
Give you side! Nahi!
Dodom! You know you are my full package, Dodom.
Hear me!
It is the devil inside of you is using her to come. Dodom, don't worry. You are the dangerous.
You are the cause.
I am not the cause. This is my love. This is my Dodom. This is my full package. You don't fully package. Dodom, I am
I go give you food. Bring food for you. You go chop finish. Eat it one way. Chop finish. How can you distract? Face another woman. Nahi. No wahala. No wahala.
Mama, where your face dey like this now? Wetin happen?
If you let me gather the Anga water dey for road dey come, they beat you. Hospital go reject you. You dey craze? No worry.
Mama, why dey shout for me now? Which kind thing come be that one?
Okoso, they dey worry you. Your brain dey touch.
Mama, wetin I do you?
You dey craze. I go. So you useless pikin. Why for just use you do sacrifice? By now, I for don't get money. I for don't make am.
Resemble
who? No resemble me, oh.
I resemble you.
You be like your papa.
Resemble
mad people.
The same blood. Two of us are useless.
Hey, good morning. Thank you. Adima. That's why you came.
I decided to come and see you. Especially Uju. How is she doing?
God is in control. Uju's wound is healing.
That's a big relief. Thank God for that. Well, my sister returned from the city, so she brought a lot of things. So I said, let me bring these ones for you.
Obina, Lito. Oh, dear. Obina.
Well, I was actually rushing to somewhere, so I decided to drop this first.
Obina, I can't thank you enough. Your sister, greet her for me.
She will hear.
God will bless her.
Amen.
God will bless her abundantly.
Amen.
Obina, you will live long. You will live long.
Amen.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I have to get going now. Okay. Greet everyone for me.
I will.
Especially you.
I will.
Alright.
I will.
Bye-bye.
Obina, thank you.
You're welcome.
Make him wine. Thank you. Hey!
See, Nehemiah, if you want to know what this I do, cross this line. Just cross am. Cross this line. Cross am.
Dodom, why are you doing this to me now? Don't allow the devil to use you. Dodom, so leave all this devil handwork. No, now devil won't use us like this.
Oh, devil handwork. Now that's the devil handwork, eh? Now you go see now. That's the devil handwork. Now you go make blood leave your head. Cross this line.
But you are my Dodom. Dodom.
Maya,
I love Dodom. Can you look at
what shame? Single shame don't your eye. Nehemiah, so the way I take fat, fresh, and full like Osho, it don't still do you. You still get my guy cheat on me.
Me,
you don't make heaven.
I don't fit.
You don't make heaven.
I don't fit it on you now. You are my fully loaded. You be full package. Let me come and show you how. I love you. You know I love you.
Come on, leave us.
I will never do anything to you.
You're mad. You don't leave us. Come, let's see.
You don't tell where we are suffering. You don't tell where we the hustle. I feel fucking very sure. Nobody can stop what God can start. Nobody can quench what God.
Thank God we met here. I was even going to your house.
Is everything okay?
Oh, yes. Though there's a report filed against you by your late brother's wife.
What else has she said I've done to her this time around?
Well, Emeka, this is not something we'll iron out here now. I suggest we'll meet in her house tomorrow morning by 9 a.m.
Yeah, Ichie, meet at her place.
Very important. It's very important.
Okay, Ichie, you say so.
But I'm still.
Don't forget, it's very important. Hey, don't forget. What am I going to do now? Hey. This woman will stop at nothing to ensure that these elders penalize me because of this thing now. Because the reports she filed against me is actually true. No. I can't have those useless old wretched men penalize me for this thing now. No, now. I can't have them call me meeting and start talking trash. I need to do something about this thing. Hey, Emeka, think. What do I do? What do I do? Yes! Hey, I think I have an idea. Hey! I got the one dan up. I'll go and move and born.
Your mother had repeatedly brought to my table about your ill treatment to your late brother's wife.
Ichi, I don't understand. What matter again? What has she told you that I did to her?
Emeka, you don't sit here and begin to pretend as if you have not done anything. Don't sit here and act as if you have not been wicked to my children and I. The question is, Emeka, Megigene, what did I do to you? Where has my children and I gone wrong? Enough!
Ichi, I am not going to sit down here and watch this witch spit lies against me.
Sit down, Emeka! Sit down! And watch your mouth. Don't insult your elder's brother's wife. What is wrong with you? Is he your mate? She's not your mate. Oledo, why did you bring me here to sit down and listen to your lies?
Ichie, I don't understand.
You don't understand what? What is there that you don't understand? Every time Emeka do you this, Emeka do you that. You call me, Emeka do you... Listen to me. This should be the last time you bring his matter before me. Ah, what is it? Every time you'll be lying against an innocent boy. Emeka, you can go to your house. I'm out of this place. All the time, Emeka do this, Emeka do this.
Ichie, go to your house, don't mind her. I know how to handle her. Ichie. No, thank you.
I go chakwa and go.
This is exactly what you get when you try to wrestle with champions like us. This is the beginning of your agony. I will so much deal with you in this house. Useless woman. Nonsense.
Yes! No. You go run tire. Oh, you even need slippers. Now so devil they don't want to see God picking. Nonsense. Man they he. You cannot breast like pork meat. Like say na organization. Cannot breast like company. No wala. You go they run they go. Today you don't go wear slippers. Man they he. Na my own.
Mama, you need to come and see Mama. You need to come and see Mama. You need to come and see Mama.
Would you? What's happening?
Woman, you don't need to ask any stupid questions. By now, you should know what is at stake. What do you know about in your blood? It runs in your blood. Diori, thieves, criminals.
Oledo, your daughter have been stealing in this village, but it has not gotten to this extent. This time, she has to venture into the palace of Igwe to steal the offer of the land. She stole the offer.
Jesus! Uju! You, why? Uju!
Mommy, I'm sorry.
According to the customs and traditions of our land, anyone found stealing in the royal household will be stoned to death.
Yes.
Iche, she's a child. I'm on my knees, sir. Please, forgive her. She's a small child. Please, if you kill her, what do I have?
But thank God, Igwe has ordered us not to stone her to death. You may now go back to your mother.
Hey, thank you. Thank you.
Now listen. You have 24 hours to leave this village with your children. 24 hours! After 24 hours and you are still found anywhere around this village, you will be prosecuted with your children. Have I made myself clear?
To where?
You heard me.
To where, sir?
You heard me.
Boys,
let's go.
24 hours. 24 hours.
Let's go.
24 hours.
You heard me.
24 hours. Let's go. Can you see the map?
Let's go.
24 hours. 24 hours.
Now be here. Let's go.
Where do we go? Where do I go? With you? Hey! Who do I have? Who will help me? Hey! Iche! Hey! Would you?
I'm sorry.
No problem. Let's go and pack. Where do I go?
I'm sorry.
Where? Who do I have?
I'm sorry.
In this village. Hey, you have killed me! And with money. Thank you, Mom. Go inside. Go inside. Go inside. Go inside. Go inside. Hey! 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 Uju! Hey! 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 Hey!
Emeka, this woman took you to Lagos. This same woman enrolled you into the university. This same woman made sure you lacked nothing when your brother was still alive. Until your brother had the problem he had, which resulted to his death. Which of course she engineered everything. Obina, I don't understand you. What has this woman given you to eat that makes you support her every time?
She gave me nothing.
She gave me nothing. You should be supporting this woman, Emeka. Support this woman and her children. So I should now support her, right? Oh, simply because I refused to die of the charms and concussions she used in killing all my family members. Hey, Obina, do you even hear yourself speak?
There you go, there, Emeka.
Emeka, this woman is not responsible for the mass loss in your family. This woman does menial job just to feed her children. Wait, oh. Don't tell me you are in support of her being ostracized from this village. If you see how happy I am now, you will come and jubilate with me. At least now I have my late brother's properties. The land, the house, the domestic animals, everything. The farmlands.
Is that all you care for? Land, properties, livestock and all?
That is your business. If you wish to join me, fine.
Stop saying that. I've seen that. I've seen that. Somebody that. I don't know. Put it down. But this is madness. Don't say I do not want you when it starts.
Please don't do that. Don't do that. I'm beginning to achieve it. If I put down, if I put down, God is looking at you. Don't do that thing next time. It's a sin.
Come.
Nehi!
Come. Dodo, come.
Nehi, what's happening?
Dodo, I have a good news for you.
Nehi! Which good news?
You know, every time after you rejection this Jesse and this uniform, and I knew it is some beautiful thing. I said anytime I want to come and show you how beautiful you are, I will not to come and put it on. But I said this news is very good.
But I don't understand.
We are going to the city. Me and you, we are going to the city.
Will they go city? Go do long.
You remember that my friend? That my friend I told if there is any job opportunity, he should inform us.
Okay, Caleb.
Caleb. What do you mean not quite long ago? He told me that the job opportunity, I told him if he sees it, he should let us know that he has found a very powerful job for me. Now he said I'm the gate man, not just the gate man. I am the chief of security of the whole base, the overall base manager. You are very smart. You're very smart. So I am going to be the CSO. And he has found you another job, and that is Osilora.
That is the chief manager of the kitchen. That's CMK.
Yes, CMK. So, and now you are the chief medical. You know what I'm saying? CMK.
So see, don't worry. Our life now don't change. So that be saying a city will go now.
Come. We have a problem that is bothering me. He said that if me and you we go to the city, we should not act like we know each other. We should pretend we never see we self before. And the thing he disturbed my brain because physics that he bind us me and you together. The thing is really, but you know, what can I say?
But why now? Why they call them moon?
You know, all these big men, if they know that me and you, we know each other, they will think one day we will collide and kill them. And so, you know, big men and they think somehow.
I know what, the good thing is now, we don't change for village now, we go city now. So, but wait to my son. Because if you are not carry, follow me go.
That baby small picking. That baby small picking is something I don't understand though. Because
no worry, if I take kitchen, gonna give me salt, Maggie.
But what position would that give him in the house? Me, I am the CSO.
Inside kitchen, if I tell him give me salt,
That is assistant CMK.
CMK.
You go to
Go to city law. Like they say,
no, you know, I love you so much.
I love you.
Oh, but you cook something inside.
You know, say the book of Nehemiah 27 verse.
Hey, we said we shall go to the city. You feel so happy. No. You cook something inside. Come, let us go inside. Let us go inside.
Nehi.
Don't.
Let me not change.
I won't go. Don't.
Nwa mefu na rigamo Wamana Amerem gini nenu wachimo Obia mawamo Onyeka mejora Onyeka mjinkenya Amugini kamerowa Chimo iku wagungamo Chimo jugomisia Mwabe funarigamu umumana Mwabe funarigamu umumana Ikawa wagamo Ikawa waganuma Mana nyege bizia Ikawa wagama Ikawa waganuma Mama wunarigama Amililulela magom Awuni nendinu wachabuem Amililulela magopam chimo Where we suffer, you don't tell where we the hustle. I feel fucking very sure. Nobody can stop what God has started. Nobody can quench what God has started. You are doing in vain. You can only try, but you cannot stop it. The Lord is my shepherd, oh I shall not want. Even though I walk through the valley of death, I shall fear no evil, for my God is with me. If I think of
What is wrong with these people? What is wrong with these people? This is why I don't like going to anywhere with a woman. Look at the way she is laying me. Come out, dog. Are you not tired of
my husband is suffering now? Go there. Where will they go?
You have to hurry because the last one is going.
What is this?
Sure.
Where's Sandra? What have I for you?
You know the mama, I know the again.
Look at the situation.
Okay, now what you can't take Sandra do now?
I sell land. Use and buy with the new whiskey latest.
Oh, you don't hear that.
You don't perform for Igwe Palace.
Okay, Ballet. Oh yeah, no. Let us go. There is no time. The last bus will soon be going. The bus they go. The bus they go. Do this thing what you do. You can go to this direction. You go to another direction. You don't even have a direction. Come on, let us go. The bus is going.
Mama, look away from me.
You necklace? Come on, get back.
What is wrong with this boy? Dad, come let us go. You are my major situation. Come, Dad. You know you are my major situation. People, this is
you don't think this boy exchange
Come.
Go front! Mama! This my small battery. I don't know. I don't hold that down.
I don't be your battery.
I don't hold that down. Small battery. So they go.
Now you be my phone. Mama, you not calling me now. Mama, you not calling me.
They go pick you. They're not going to go.
How will you not be my mama? I'm going to tell you.
No, come. I don't know what is wrong with that boy.
Father, I beg, give me this job. I beg. The only calling I get for life now cooking. Me, I know say I'm not to speak Oyibo. You see those people there when they speak big grammar for outside. They speak grammar. They don't have to cook. I've been English. You want job? Just give me the job, madam. Go sell. Say you don't go regret that. Give correct food, madam.
Okay, I've heard all that you said. I am going to put you to a test. And if you pass, you're hired. It's as easy as that. And if you fail out of my house. So you have to go to the kitchen and prepare me shambala rice. Red turkey and ash brown with a cup of blowjob.
Madam!
A cup of blowjob.
You don't drink blowjob? One full cup!
Where's the gate man?
Eat it for engage place.
Okay, that's the way to the kitchen.
Yes,
Don't forget the ash brown.
Hey! Blowjob! Hallelujah, rest. That you must pass this exam. Hallelujah, rest. Bring tomato sauce, everything. Hallelujah.
I can see her.
Jesus! Good morning, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good evening, sir.
It's okay.
It's okay. I'm sorry, sir.
It's okay. I can see you're a very good dancer.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Okoso! I tell you, say, this is how that spirit always follow you. We just come here now, we never even land. I don't even get the work. You know the one is against me. I beg no vex. See what we be saying in short, the work self never reach my hand. It never reach my hand now. I never even know. You can't disgrace me.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir?
Yes, you have the job already. See, I tasted your food and it's really good. So I'll tell my sister that you already have the job.
Thank you, sir.
Okay?
God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
It's okay.
Thank you now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Alright. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. You think you drive me here? I will squash you. Good. Follow me. Follow me.
So what is Oga? What is Oga?
Me, I don't get the job.
Hey, just like that?
Yes, nah. So I just cook better food for Oga. I arrange the food there. Yeah. The food there is legit. As Oga should finish.
Full package.
Shop belly full. Oga, he confirm.
Dodo.
He can't give me the job automatically.
I trust you, Dodo. I trust you now. I trust you now. As I see Oga, I use my kidney and put my liver put together with full package. Now open the gate. Now Oga see me one time, give me employment. Boost. I say something. Make I go there gate now. CSO.
So them say now our level don't change.
Dodo, just like that. But Dodo, my tire has reduced. I need to put some.
You see for this house, I don't know you. You don't know me.
But you know we are not supposed to be physically together.
I don't sabi you, and you know.
But my tire has less.
Oh, it's right to your tent.
Dodo, employment, Dodo.
Chairman! Hey! I need help! Somebody help me! Help! Chairman! 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 You will not die! Jesus! Somebody help me! Sit down! I need help! Please! Help me! Help me! Hey! Chama! 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 Hey! 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 Somebody mama wala! Chama! 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 Get up! Get up! Ah!
Look, can we just get going? We're going to miss our flight. Let's get going.
Yes, ma'am.
We are going to Lagos. I'll be back in a week time, okay?
Yes,
I want this place to be the way it is. Look at it very well. I don't want you to move anything.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, leave it the way they are. Just clean. It's what you're supposed to do, but don't move anything. Did you hear me? Because if anything, move on it. Because you know you don't used to hear.
Yes,
yes, you don't. Sure, you know?
Sometimes,
everything should be the way it is. Because if anything moves, I will deal with you. I'm going to deal with you. Don't you hear me?
No, ma'am. Thank you. See you.
The tears are falling down. The tears are falling. The tears are falling. The tears are falling down. Nana tara when you're full. Only dona tara when you're full. Amara yo mejere. Amara yo mejere. Amara yo chife yanike. Amara yo chife yanike. Amara yo narankinya. Come join
Nehemiah, make sure you take it back to my room. Did you hear? Don't unpack. Do not unpack. Dorothy! Where's that baby? Dorothy! Ma!
Yes, ma! Yes, ma! Yes, ma! Ma!
What is the meaning of this?
No.
Why is this place dirty?
Ma, I cleaned them. I cleaned them yesterday. I cleaned them this morning. I cleaned everywhere, ma.
Shut up! You cleaned where? And I can hardly breathe. Oh my
Sorry,
God.
ma. Why you see they on now? Why you not breathe? Ma? Yes, ma.
You're just such a dirty girl.
Exactly, ma.
You don't know how to do anything. The only thing you know how to do is just cook and eat. Yes,
exactly.
You can't even help yourself. The only thing you know how to just to sit down one place and eat. You know what? I just have to employ someone else to do this work because it's obvious you can't even do anything. You're just so dirty. You can't do this work.
No, ma. Yes, ma.
You're so dirty. Jesus! Pick it!
Sorry, ma.
I said you pick it!
Sorry.
I said, start cleaning.
Okay, ma.
Start cleaning!
Yes, ma.
Clean! Hold it your head! Clean! Give me!
Sorry.
You're just so dirty.
Yes, ma.
You know how to do just eat.
Exactly, ma. Thank you, ma. Come here.
Who wants to break this door down? Who is that? Ola! Na one uju na mama ya. Ola. Oledo. Ujunwa. What are you people doing in a big city like this?
You working?
Yes, I am the chief security officer of the whole base. Yes, I am.
We saw this post, cleaner needed.
You are very lucky because Madam is still around, and everything I tell Madam and Oga, that is what they approve. You know, I am your person. Come, let me take you inside. Now she is very around.
Thank you.
Don't worry. Just come. Come. There is no dog. I'm the chief security. Just come inside. Ujunwa, you are now a very big deal. Okay, let's worry.
I've heard all that you said, and you've done your best to convince me. What can I say?
Yes, madam. Just give me a little try. I will surprise you.
I'm going to give you a chance.
Thank you.
No, not so fast. Yeah. Anything contrary to what you just told me here, I will have you jailed for claiming to do what you don't know how to do. And I will take away daughter from you.
No. Remove jail. Please. I beg you. Please.
Don't worry. Look. You see this main house? I don't want to see you here. You don't have any business here. Yes. Unless you want to come here. Do you hear me? Yes. Okay, you can go. Thank you.
God bless you. God bless you.
I just hope I'm not making a mistake.
You're not. Thank you. Hey! Thank you.
There you dey go. There you dey go. Oledo, who carry you come this house? Wetin carry you come this house, Oledo? Who show you road come city? Eh? Oledo! Oledo! Hey!
Trouble from village. Trouble now.
Yes, so.
In case you don't know, I am now the new housekeeper.
Yeah, you lie. You don't keep yourself finish. You don't keep yourself finish. Don't let this yellow deceive you. Yes! You say you can't keep house. Hey! You not only come this house, so you carry your thief pikin come this house. Yes! Not be thief. Your pikin is a thief.
Come,
yes!
Come, Dorothy. Dorothy. This one no be that one where you push me down for village beat me. If you call my daughter thief again, let me go push you down.
Story?
Don't you ever try it. My daughter is not a thief.
Oh yeah. So what you gonna do? What you gonna do? What? Okay, which name they even know for village? The whole village don't say he's a thief. Yes, if you not thief, you go thief pants, you go thief money, everything ain't the thief. Mama thief. Only the mama thief. I'm robber, rogue, mama thief. Mama thief. You never see anything. Now me be chief housekeeper of this keeping house. The chief house cook. You can't go. You don't go take her from my hand. I don't agree. Oledo, war for you. Mama thief. Oledo, war for you. Hey, Oledo, thief, mama thief. Oledo.
What happened? Why are you screaming my name like that?
You must not go scream. Why? Tell me why I don't go screaming your name. Oledo. You don't come city now. Poverty won't kill you. You're gonna sleep for AC. See where you sweep. Very dirty. See everywhere. Your work you not gonna do. Thief. See there. Mama thief. If I never take time now, he go thief me. Ooh!
Dorothy. But I sweat here.
You know sweat. Shut up about it. Shut up, oh! Shut up.
Don't shut my mommy up. She's not your slave.
You get back. Hey! Thief answer me today. Thief you dey talk.
It's high time we made this woman understand that she's not your mate.
Would you go inside?
Go with your side. Go with your side.
Dorothy.
You slapped me.
How dare you slap my mommy? She has suffered enough for you to humiliate her like that.
Dorothy.
Oledo.
You slapped me.
Would you slap me?
Dorothy. Do I look like your mate?
Would you be your mate?
I'm talking and you're talking. Enough.
Oledo.
Mama, you hurt yourself.
Oledo.
Mama, stop fighting.
Oledo.
Mama, stop fighting. Mama, stop fighting. Mama, stop fighting. Mama, you hurt yourself.
Oledo.
Mama, stop. Mama,
Oledo.
Mama, stop fighting.
Oledo.
No.
Oledo.
This is too much.
Now,
This is too much.
Oledo.
Mama, don't fight.
Let me kill her. Let me kill her. Come here. Come.
Mama, you
You dey run? Are you running now? Come. Let me deal with you. Let me deal with you. What is it? What is it, self?
Hey! Oledo. Okay, you don't get power. Because he decide AC now. If he fight me. Okay.
Shut up your mouth. Eh?
See you, Dorothy, in this house. This is not village. If you try me again, I will teach you a lesson. I've endured you enough.
Oledo.
Be very careful.
Oledo, poverty, Oledo, mama thief. See this house? You know, contain me and you. I'll give you war. This house, you know, contain me and you. Now me go decide if you go stay or not. Now me go decide. You know, get say. You keeping the house more than me. You keeping house more than me. You keeping house more than me. Oledo. What is going on?
My house is not a battlefield for you to do as you please. Do you hear me? I employed you both to come here, clean and work for me and get paid. And not for you to turn it into a battle pitch. What is going on here? Why so much noise?
Now she cause her
Shut up! I don't care. It's not my business. Let me sound this as a warning. You see this This thing that just happened right now, this shouting, this pulling up this building. If it ever happened again, I'm going to get the both of you fired. Now get out! Out!
You see now, I find trouble. Sorry, ma'am.
What is wrong with you?
You saw this one, madam.
What is wrong with her? Why does she always act that way? Why?
Good afternoon, sir.
What is this?
What? What?
The mark.
Oh, that. The mark was given to me by my mom. And she gave it to all my siblings too.
Your mom gave you that mark?
Yes.
And she gave it to all your siblings?
Okay, what is it? What troubles you?
You need to come with me. You need to see something out there.
What is it?
Sister, just follow me. There is something you need to see.
Let me go and get water.
No. You don't have a hand, so you cannot carry it. I'll carry it.
Madam, any problem? No, there's no problem. She has done anything. Please. No, ma. There is no problem, okay? Okay. Yeah. Just was actually saying the truth. Yes. Would you? No. Dime. Hey! My son! 2 years, your brother. The one they kidnapped. Daddy-o!
Papa.
Anyway! Oh! I give you all the glory! No! I thought I won't see you again. Kichukumam. I remembered everything just like yesterday. As if it happened yesterday. I remembered when I kept you, my little Okechuku, 2 years old, in front of the yard. I went inside, let me check what I kept on the fire. Only for me to come out
You were nowhere to be found. They've taken you. I cried. I called on God. The God side, not the one side, did not know. I called. You were long gone. Your father and I stayed so long before I conceived again. I had 4 children. But death, death here and there, I was left with Uju.
I did everything to find you. But I knew, even if I had passed you on the way, I wouldn't recognize you. I wouldn't even know you. But I kept praying.
2 years. Just 2 years.
I kept praying, Mama. I kept praying that someday we're going to cross our paths. I was praying, Mama. I was constantly praying, Mama.
I just thank God for this day. Our mother told us everything. How she adopted him and the process and everything that was surrounding it. She also told us about the mark at his back.
That mark. There's a reason for everything. My mother told me that mark was in our bloodline.
So when I started giving birth, I gave my children the same mark, which symbolizes the mark of royalty.
Thank you. Thank you very much for the mark. Thank you.
Not you. Come, get up.
Madam, Auntie, would you help me beg, Madam? Make you no vex, I beg. I don't know what's in the worry me that time when they fight you. I beg, Madam, no vex, I beg, no pursue me, come out, I beg, no pursue us, I beg.
Dorothy.
Yes, ma'am.
It is well. I have suffered a lot.
I know, yes, ma'am.
I have seen a lot in this life. None can tell my story better than myself.
I witnessed, ma'am.
Yes, you witnessed it. You pushed me down, you dealt with me in the village. Called me names, poverty-stricken woman. But it's well. I give all glory to God.
Thank you, Lord Jesus. Father, thank you for changing her, Father, Lord.
I never knew that someone like me would live in a house like this. To reunite with my lost son. A 2-year-old baby they took away from me. But to God be all the glory. For today, He knows everything. Dorothy.
Yes, ma'am.
I will not sack you. Stay and do your job. You know what? I don't pay evil with evil. I'm not that kind of a person, only though.
Man, I know say one day for this life you must make her. Me, I know that one. Me, I know say one day so far go end for your life. Me, I know your yellow night don't come as well now. Yes, ma.
Come on, shut up!
Sorry.
I said shut up!
Sorry.
You know what?
Yes, ma.
She is a good person. It's obvious, she's nice. But you're gonna stay in this house.
and serve her.
I will serve you, Sama. I will serve you.
Shut up! Get out!
Yes,
out!
ma. Yes.
Out!
Yes. Yes.
Get out of here! Come back here. Say ma. Run.
Ma. Ma.
I said run. Run.
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Run.
Your man said go, ma. Oh.
The tears are falling.
Hey! What entered my eye? Why is everywhere dark? See! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! I don't know. I can't.
You cannot see?
What's wrong? I can't see. I don't know. I was walking down this road and all of a sudden I don't know. Wait, blow, please. You're blind. Hey!
Are you serious now?
I cannot see anything. No. I cannot see anything. No. Come down. Open, help me. Somebody should help me.
Emeka, you mean you cannot see me?
I cannot see anything. No. I don't know. I cannot see.
Emeka, I warned you. I want you, Emeka.
I see my hand.
Help me. Somebody should help me. Hey, blow my eye. Somebody should blow my eye.
Calm down.
Calm down. Somebody blow my eye. I can't see again.
Emeka, the evil that men do lives with them.
Evil?
I warned you. Hey, I warned you. The other day I was at your place. I knelt down. I begged you. You did not listen.
And I'm blowing his eyes.
My eye.
Hey, I warned you. You did not listen to me. I told you that now. Osu, Ambola, don't call me.
Somebody help me. Somebody help me.
Hey, they will come and help you. They will come.
Hey, somebody help me. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. I am. Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Obina. Hey, I want to move. I cannot see.
The tears are falling down. The tears are falling. Nana tara when you're fulfilled. Only dona tara when you're fulfilled. Amara your nature. Amara your chief and Amara your chief and Amara your narangi.